Hey guys, what's going on? It is Beats Gamer Bobby here, and my last two videos that I made based on this have been glitching out for no reason, but hopefully this one shall work. So in the video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to no longer, when you were writing up and you're like, yes, I want to make it, 2, 1, no! And then an ad like this shows up after you are about to make a jump and you're so mad. You're just like, why would you waste my time like this? Like, come on, man. No one likes these ads, honestly. I hate them. I never have downloaded anything that was an ad except for a game where you get like rewards from it. Otherwise, I just really hate it. But I have found a way to stop this from happening, which I can't do, else this recording will end, which is kind of sad. But simply turn your Wi-Fi off and the ads will not show up. All you literally have to do is go to your settings or just swipe up and turn your Wi-Fi off. And it's going to say add in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and nothing will happen except your volume/sounds might glitch out for a minute or two. But otherwise, it'll be totally fine, and there will be no ad that will bother you at all. If you guys already have downloaded ads, though, then go ahead and simply press Restore Purchase, and you will get all your money back, and you can simply do this. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. No, just kidding, but it's still pretty darn easy. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If so, go ahead and like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace, guys. See you.